Hello kids, this is the continuation video of Standard 5, subject Mathematics. Chapter is the same, fraction. This is the part 5 from the chapter. In this part, we'll study about subtraction of like fractions, unlike fractions, mixed numbers with the whole numbers. These things we will study. So let us start with the subtraction of like fractions. As we had done during our last video, last part, addition, the basic concept is same, only in place of addition we have to do subtraction. Here I have taken 5 by 17 from 7 by 17. So you know from junior classes the number that is written after from, that is the greater number. So greater number minus the smaller one. As the denominators are same, like fraction, so LCM will be same as the same denominator 17. We have to subtract the numerator 7 minus 5, that is 2 by 17. Another example, here I have taken 7 by 26 from 15 by 26. So 15 by 26 minus 7 by 26. We will take the LCM, that is 26, same denominator, that is 26. Then 15 minus 7, we have to subtract the numerator. 15 minus 7 is 8. 8 by 26, both are divisible by 2. We will divide. We will get the result 4 by 13. So you have to check whether the result is in improper fraction, convert into mixed. If not in lowest term, you have to convert into lowest term. Now subtraction of unlike fractions. As I told, the concept remains the same. If the fractions are unlike, means the denominators are not equal, then we have to find out the LCM of 10 and 15, that is 30. We will write the LCM in the denominator 30. Then 30 will be divided by the denominator of the first fraction 10. 30 divided by 10 is 3, multiplied with the numerator 3 into 3 minus 30 divided by the denominator of the second fraction 15, that is 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5 by 30. 30 is divisible by 5. 5 is also divisible by 5. So 1 by 6. Another example, 5 by 16 minus 1 by 12. Again we will take out the LCM. We will get 48. 48 is divided by 16, that is 3. So 5 into 3 minus 48 divided by 12 is 4, multiplied with the numerator 1 into 4, that is 4. So 5 into 3, 15 minus 4. So that is 11 by 48. Now moving on, if in the question it is written, find the difference between the two fractions. If find the difference between written like 5 by 8 and 3 by 5. We don't know that which number is greater, which number is smaller. So to find out the difference between the two fractions, first we have to compare between the fraction. Which one is greater, which one is smaller. That we had already done in our part 3. That how to compare. We will do cross multiplication, simple, numerator of the first, denominator of the second, numerator of the second, denominator of the first. 25, 5 into 5, 3 into 8, 24. 25 is greater than 24. So 5 by 8 is greater than 3 by 5. So 5 by 8 minus 3 by 5. Again the same process. Now 8 and 5, LCM of that is 40. LCM is being divided with the denominator of the first, divided by 8, we will get 5, multiplied with the numerator 5 into 5 minus 3 into 8. 25 minus 24, 1 by 40. Let us go through another example, 5 by 12 and 9 by 16. Same process, first we have to check which one is smaller, which one is greater. 5 into 16 is equals to 80. 9 into 12 is equals to 108. So 9 by 16 is greater than 5 by 12. We'll take the LCM of 16 and 12, that is 48. Now 48 we have to write in denominator. 48 divided by the denominator of the first fraction, that is 16, is 3. So 9 into 3 minus 48 divided by 12 is 4. 5 into 4 is 20. 27 minus 20 is 7 by 48. Now let us move to the subtraction with the mixed fractions. Now subtraction of a fraction from a whole number. If a whole number is there and we have to subtract the whole number from a mixed fraction or a mixed fraction, or subtraction of a fraction from a whole number. Both the cases I will show you here. 3 minus 2 by 5. If a whole number is written, if nothing is there in the denominator, we can write as 1. So 3 by 1 minus 2 by 5. Take out the LCM of 1 and 5, that is 5. Now this process same. The denominator will write the LCM. LCM being divided with the denominator of the first. 5 divided by 1 is 5 multiplied by 3. So 3 into 5 minus 5 divided by 5 is 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. 13 by 5, that is 2 whole 3 by 5. Improper fraction in mixed fraction. Another example, 6 minus 5 by 9. Again we'll write 6 by 1. Take the LCM, 9 and 1, 9. 9 divided by 1 is 9. So 9 6 are 54. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 5 into 1 is 5. 49 by 9, that is 5 whole 4 by 9. Now we'll study about subtraction of mixed numbers. Two mixed numbers are there. First aim that mixed number will be converted into improper fraction. 7 5 ja 35 plus 6 41 by 7 minus 4 3 ja 12 plus 1 13 by 4. We'll take the LCM of 7 and 4, 28. 28 divided by 7 is 4. Then 41 into 4 minus 28 divided by 4 is 7 into 13 is 91. We'll get 164 minus 91, that is 28. After subtracting, we'll get 73 by 28. That is equals to 2 into 17 by 28. Another example, same way, 2 whole 13 by 36 minus 1 whole 5 by 18. We'll convert the mixed into improper. Take out the LCM. Denominator, we'll write the LCM, divide it with the denominators of each fraction, multiply with the numerators. We'll get the improper fraction. Again, we'll convert into mixed fraction. Now, move on to subtraction of a fraction from a mixed number. Mixed number will convert into improper fraction. After that, the process remains the same. To take out the LCM, LCM is 20 divided by 5, 4, 16 into 4, minus 20 is the LCM, divided by 4 is 5, so 3 into 5 is 15. We'll get an improper fraction that we convert into mixed fraction. Now, if you have to subtract a mixed fraction from a whole number, that is, we'll convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Minus 3 is there, that we can write 1. We'll take the LCM of 6 and 1 is 6. 6 we'll write in the denominator. 6 divided by the denominator of the first, that is 6, is 1. 25 into 1 minus 6 divided by 1 is 6. Multiplied by 3 is 18. 7 by 6, that is 1 whole 1 by 6. Here, two word problems I am discussing. Mukesh bought a pencil for 2 whole 1 by 4 rupees and a sharpener for 1 whole 1 by 2 rupees. How much money did he spend on both these items? So, cost of the pencil, try to always write the simple sentences. Okay, cost of pencil, mixed fraction convert into improper, cost of sharpener, mixed fraction converted into improper. How much money did he spend on both? That means we have to add. So, total money Mukesh spent, addition of the cost of both pencil and sharpener, that will take the LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. So, 4 divided by 4 is 1, multiplied by 9 is 9, plus 4 divided by 2 is 2, then multiplied by 3, that is 6. Now, we will add, we will get 15 by 4, that is equals to 3 whole 3 by 4. And the one, a cyclist covered 8 whole 5 by 12 kilometer in 3 hours. He covered 3 whole 5 by 8 kilometer in first 2 hours. What distance did he cover in the third hour? So, total distance covered in 3 hours is given and first 2 hours the distance covered is given. What is left out for the third hour, the distance covered? So, the left out to be found out, total minus the distance covered in the first 2 hours. Now, we have to subtract, that we had just done. Now, that how to do the subtraction, we will take out the LCM of 12 and 8, that is 24. So, 24 divided by 12 is 2, multiplied with the numerator, minus 24 divided by 8 is 3. That will be multiplied with the numerator, 29 into 3. We will get 202 minus 87 by 24. Improper fraction, that we convert into mixed fraction.